welcome to Crypto Vibes with your boy Lex Millie. Today I'm going to be talking about Pepe Coin finds support after last week's surge. Time for another push? I'm not really sure about that. But before I get into that, if this is the first time that you come to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. Show your boy some love. Let YouTube know I'm here. And always stick around to the end of the video because I will give you a Pepe price prediction. Now let's keep this in mind. I did have some people comment about how I don't know what I'm talking about and I'm just pointing arrows. But let me tell you something. I'm actually going into these charts. I'm going into them very diligently. I'm going by the supports and the resistances, and I'm using the Billium 3 line to determine the momentum for Pepe Coin. So all these lines that you see here, I don't make those up, okay, guys? Those are actually, I'm getting them from TradingView, and they're accurate, and they're giving me an idea of where Pepe is going. So, frankly, if you don't know what you're talking about and telling me I don't know what I'm talking about, you can piss off because you ain't shit, all right? Let's do this. So, I'm going back into the article, and I'm going to be brief with you guys, right? Because here it says here, Pepe Coin has found solid support after experiencing a surge last week, sparking speculation of another surge. Traders and enthusiasts are watching closely to see if Pepe Coin is about to embark on another significant rally. All eyes are on Pepe Coin as the market waits for its next move, anticipating whether it will surge. Pepe Coin is trading at about 1583. We know that. I'm going to fly through this real quick. Pepe Coin has potential to come back. Traders optimistic on the 4 hour. And we're going to definitely deep dive into that. So, as I keep scrolling down here, it talks about the alternative Pepe. So the Pepe price trend seems like a tug of war, leaving the market uncertain. Despite the back and forth, there's still hope for another bull run. Wall Street memes, right? So it talks about NFTs and things of that nature. So basically, they're saying that Pepe is struggling, okay? And now let's take a look at an intriguing market scenario with a strong momentum. The price could reach an impressive height, surpassing a formidable resistance level and possibly crossing the 1900s. So now they're breaking this down, and they think that it has a chance, right? I do too. I think it's going to go up there, but it's not going to happen right now, and I'm going to tell you why. If you look at pretty much the overall market, Bitcoin is struggling to stay above 30. It looks like it's, holding the line, but looking pretty good, but just not moving up, right? So it's at 30,000, 200 almost. Ethereum at almost 2,000. You look at some of the other guys like XRP who ran last week. Last week was up 56%, holding it at 73 cents. You got Dogecoin there, not really doing much. Shiba Inu, the big banger, holding at 780. And if you look at Pepe Coin, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the volume is a little down. Okay, 95.72 million. When Pepe is cooking, the volume is on its way to 300 million for sure. Okay, so we're ranked number 71, 609.82 million market cap. Just basically holding the line. It's at 15.6 and trying to hold the line. So let's look at these charts real quick. And you can see here that Pepe went down dramatically. And it wasn't just Pepe. It was the entire market. It confuses me sometimes because it's like, how can the whole entire market do the same exact thing? That big red candle there was a huge sell-off over the weekend. And it was crypto-wide. Every single stock or crypto looks just like this, a big fat red candle on the weekend. There was definitely some selling pressure. Now, they were talking in the article saying that it's possible that it could reach 1900. It has to break that 18.2 line, really, in my opinion, that you see there. And I'll draw it for you just in case you can't see it. right there. That line right there has to be broken, and right now it's struggling. So the green line is the 5-hour moving average. This is the 8-hour moving average, and this is the 13-hour moving average. And I'm going to break that down to you guys in a second of why those are important, because they do give you an idea of where it's going. So right now, based on volume and everything, it's very, very possible that we can go test that 13 line right there, which you can see it right here, right? And I almost tried to do it here again, but I'm noticing that we're getting higher lows. Do you see that? We're getting higher lows. If you look at that perfectly, right? So to think that it would move back down here, it is possible. Okay, let me clean this up. It is possible for it to go down to 13.7, of which I would DCA if I were anybody looking to get into Pepe. My personal opinion, I would not get into like about there. So about the 11.8, 11-ish. But based on volume alone, I think it's possible that we could head down to 13.7 to go test that and give it a real official double bottom, just like we got that double top right there, right? Now, what is a double top, right? A double top, and I'm gonna actually get into that real quick. A double top is an extremely bearish technical reversal pattern that forms after an asset reaches a high price 2 consecutive times with a moderate decline between the two highs. It is confirmed once the asset price falls below a support level equal to the low between the two prior highs, right? And that's exactly what I just said, right? There's some illustrations there that you can look at. First peak, second peak, and then the neckline would be right there where that neckline is, and that's exactly what we're seeing on the patterns. If we go back here, in this case, the neckline would be somewhere on there, or I would think that 13 is even better. So we can't get under that. If we get under that and we break the double bottom, because remember we got two tops, and you got basically what you see is two bottoms there. The one in the middle, this one, I don't really know if that's confirmed as a bottom, but it's possible that we can get some movement down towards here and then start shooting back up. Or in this scenario, like I said, we keep getting, higher lows. So it's possible that we can move a little bit further up from here. But based on volume alone, guys, it doesn't look great. So I'm going to tell you that we're probably going to hang around the 15.5s for a little bit, unless we get some major news. That's all I got for you guys today. It's your boy Lex Millie, always bringing you the crypto vibes. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel, always showing me some love. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Show your boy that you're there, and let YouTube know I'm here. And let's grow the channel together. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.